The Life of Donald Trump, a Story of Ambition and Success. Introduction. Today we are going to explore the fascinating life of Donald Trump, a story of ambition, perseverance, and success. This is a simple and easy-to-understand biography. So grab a pen, stay focused, and let's start this journey to improve your listening, grow your vocabulary, and get inspired by the life of a leader. Chapter 1. Donald Trump's Early Years and Family Influence. Donald John Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. He grew up in a large family with 4 siblings. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful real estate developer who built homes for middle-class families. Donald learned a great deal from his father, especially about business and hard work. As a child, Donald was energetic and competitive. He loved sports and always aimed to be the best. However, his strong-willed nature sometimes led to trouble at school. To instill discipline, his parents sent him to the New York Military Academy at age 13. Initially, he disliked the strict rules, but he soon adapted and became a disciplined student and an excellent athlete. Chapter 2. Education and Business Foundation. Donald Trump began his education at Kew Forest School in Queens, where he was known for his lively and sometimes rebellious nature. To channel his energy in a more structured environment, his parents sent him to the New York Military Academy, NYMA, at the age of 13. At NYMA, he developed leadership skills, excelled in academics, and became a star athlete, participating in baseball and football. After graduating, Donald attended Fordham University for 2 years before transferring to the prestigious Wharton School at the University of Pennsylvania, where he studied finance and real estate. Knowing he would one day take over his father's business, he paid close attention to everything he learned. While still a student, Donald started working with his father, gaining hands-on experience in real estate. He quickly understood that the business wasn't just about buildings, it was about making smart decisions, understanding people, and taking calculated risks. Chapter 3. Donald Trump's Rise in Real Estate. After graduating, Donald officially joined his father's company. But he didn't want to focus solely on building homes. He had bigger dreams of constructing skyscrapers, luxury hotels, and casinos. In 1971, he moved to Manhattan, where major business deals were made. He studied the real estate market and built valuable connections. His big break came in the late 1970s, when he took on the challenge of renovating the rundown Commodore Hotel. Most people thought it was a risky investment, but Donald had a vision. With help from investors and a favorable deal with the city government, he transformed the old building into the Grand Hyatt, New York. The project was a massive success, solidifying his reputation as a savvy businessman. Chapter 4. Television and Public Persona. During the 1990s, Donald Trump gained fame not only as a businessman, but also as a public figure. He appeared in magazines, talk shows, and interviews, becoming a household name. In 2004, he became even more famous with his reality TV show, The Apprentice. The show tested contestants' business skills, with Trump judging their performance. His catchphrase, "You're fired," became a global sensation. The show's success further boosted his brand and made him a household name. Chapter 5. Donald Trump's Personal Life and Luxurious Lifestyle. Donald Trump's personal life has always attracted public attention. He has been married 3 times. His first wife, Ivana Trump, was a businesswoman and model. Together, they had 3 children, Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka Trump, and Eric Trump. His second wife, Marla Maples, was an actress, and they had a daughter, Tiffany Trump. His third and current wife, Melania Trump, is a former model and the former First Lady of the United States. They have a son, Barron Trump. Trump is known for his luxurious lifestyle, owning properties such as Trump Tower in New York, the Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida, and multiple golf resorts worldwide. He also has a passion for luxury cars, including Rolls-Royces, Ferraris, and a custom-made limousine. Chapter 6. Political Career. For years, Donald Trump was vocal about political issues. In 2015, he made a bold move by announcing his candidacy for President of the United States. Many doubted his chances, as he had no prior experience in government. However, his strong message focused on jobs, economic growth, and national security resonated with millions of Americans. He promised to make America great again, emphasizing job creation, immigration reform, and fair trade. Against the odds, he won the 2016 presidential election, defeating Hillary Clinton and became the 45th President of the United States. Chapter 7, Presidency Highlights. Donald Trump served as president from January 20, 2017 to January 20, 2021. His presidency was marked by significant policy changes, economic growth, and controversial debates. Here are some key highlights. Economy: lowered taxes for businesses, leading to economic growth. Immigration: promised to build a wall between the U.S. and Mexico to curb illegal immigration. Foreign relations: engaged with leaders like Kim Jong-un to address nuclear weapons. Healthcare: attempted to reform the healthcare system, facing challenges in passing legislation. Impeachment: impeached in 2019 by the House, but acquitted by the Senate. Chapter 8, Post-Presidency and Influence. After serving one term, Donald Trump ran for re-election in 2020, but lost to Joe Biden. Despite this, he remained a key figure in American politics, continuing to hold rallies and shape the Republican Party's direction. In 2024, he announced his candidacy for the next presidential election, aiming to influence the country's future once again. Meanwhile, his business empire remained strong, with ventures in real estate, media, and investments. He also launched Truth Social, a social media platform advocating free speech and alternative perspectives. Chapter 9, Trump's current position and popularity. Today, Donald Trump remains a powerful and influential figure in American politics. He continues to hold rallies, support Republican candidates, and voice his opinions on key national issues. His popularity among his supporters remains strong, with millions of people attending his events and following him on social media. His influence in the Republican Party is significant, and many believe he could play a major role in shaping future U.S. policies. Even outside politics, his business empire continues to thrive, with new developments in real estate, media, and branding. His name remains synonymous with luxury, business success, and strong leadership. Chapter 10, Lessons from Donald Trump's Success. Donald Trump's life offers many valuable lessons. Believe in yourself. Confidence is key to overcoming obstacles and achieving success. Work hard. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires persistence and dedication. Take risks. Smart risks often lead to great rewards. Never give up. Failures are just stepping stones to future success. Conclusion: the legacy of Donald Trump. Donald Trump's journey, from a young boy with big dreams to a global business mogul and U.S. president, illustrates the power of ambition and perseverance. Though his path was filled with challenges, he never stopped pushing forward. Now think about your own dreams. What do you want to achieve? What challenges stand in your way? If Donald Trump's story teaches us anything, it's that with hard work, resilience, and belief in yourself, anything is possible. Thank you for joining this journey. Keep learning, stay curious, and always believe in your potential.